Hey folks, this is Ray. Today we're at Wolf Creek for the American Express Open. This is hole number 1. We got out our driver. We're 461 yards away. All right, we hit it pretty good, but we're going near those traps, and I think we're in the trap. All right, we're 174, and I have my 7-iron, which I'm going to club up to a 5-iron. And we're going to go straight for the green here. Oh, no, didn't hit that right. All right, we sort of laid up unintentionally. Had a tough time getting out of green. Okay, we're in the rough, but we're 44 feet away, and we have our lob wedge. So we have to hit this a little bit more than half. Oh, all right, that's not so good. We are, oh boy, it's a rough hole. We are off into the gravel, into a rock face. Well, now we got 20 feet away, and we have our lob wedge. We're on a really bad angle here, so this is going to be a tough shot. All right, didn't get it up there. So now we're on the rough, 10 yards away. To hit this easy. All right, that's actually pretty good. That's the only halfway decent shot we've had yet today. Okay, let's put this in. This is 5 feet away. Going left to right. And we missed it. Woohoo! This is a bad start to a hole. All right. Oh, we finally got it in. All right. This is Ray. See you later for hole of the day. That was a rough hole for the day.